Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, I'm going to be taking you into a time machine back to the day right before the school shut down and this pandemic hit, where we were just told, hey, you know what, school's closed and you're staying home, and we just had no choice and everything was locked down. So if you want to see that, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
So it was a crazy day. It was March 13th. I mean, we went through our whole day of March 13th in school, and it was a Friday, so I didn't do any robotics video. That was at the point where I was not doing Friday videos, but I was doing Monday through Thursday. So what I'm gonna do in this video is take you back to that Thursday. We were in robotics class, and we were actually trying to get ready for Easter. Easter hadn't hit yet, so I was having some students working on the Eggbot. It was a robot that made, different decorations and designs on the little colored plastic eggs, that you would have for an Easter egg hunt. So it was just one of those, it just seemed like a typical day. I mean, we had known about the virus and it was possible dangers, but at that moment, I was still giving students high fives and we were just kind of going about our business. So what I want to do is just show you that day when we were in class, the day right before the school shut down. I mean, we were in school on Friday, but it was the week of the shutdown. So let me go ahead and take you back there.
Oh, it didn't go down far enough. Okay, so it should work now, actually. Come on, this can work.
Oh, dang! The most arty robot to ever live.
And then I want to do this one. Nice pebbles, bud.
That's the most artsy robot.
And then I wanted to do this one.
The robot has the power. Travis, your robot has the
That
power.
was sweet. Did you see that?
Sometimes that one doesn't work on the other side.
Yeah, I think because of the tire. Yeah. I think the tire is too thick.
That might be it.
Is there anything else that it does, or that's it?
No, there's actually a lot more,
But it would mess up the rest of the
yeah,
design.
probably.
Okay, Travis. So let's see the egg. Let's take it out and let's look at it.
Oh, that's pretty.
I still like the design that I did on the left side.
That is very cool, Travis. Nice job.
So it's just crazy to look back at that day and go, man, we just had no idea. We had no idea that we would not be in school for another 6-7 months. It was just wild. And, going back to my school to clean up things, to kind of put some things away, it was just bizarre to me to walk into my room and it just seemed like time had frozen. It seemed like, everything that we had done the day before everything shut down was still in its same place. It just felt like, someone took a clock and broke it and time just went and froze. So it was just one of those weird things. And, I've been back to my class since then, put some things away, cleaned up this. Over the summer, they cleaned up some things. So I'm hoping to be back soon. We'll see how January comes and, what happens with the new year. I don't know. But my prediction is that, we're going to probably be distance learning throughout the rest of the 2020 year. And we'll see what 2021, what happens. I guess it's just going to have to go with what goes up and down with the case levels and things like that. So we'll see. But I just thought today that you would have fun going back into time, going back to that date. March 12th was, when we took that video. And then March 13th, that night, I got the email saying, we're not going back into schools. Everything's shut down. We're going to stay at home. And I was just like, whoa, crazy. So, all right, guys, thank you for taking this journey with me. You guys are hopefully staying safe and having fun. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.